And today we're taking a look at the Rode Video Micro. And this microphone is very compact. As you may know, Rode makes many microphones, and this being almost the smallest one, without including the lavalier line. Only smallest to this one is the one for cell phones. The great thing about this one, not only can you get it under $60, you don't need batteries, and it plugs directly to your microphone input. Another great thing about this little device, it kind of works like a shotgun mic. Wherever you point it is where it's going to pick up most of the audio. And these are the things that you get in the box. You get your manual, or how we like to call it, barbecue paper. It also brings a suspension mount, which is great to reduce any noise caused by movement. And the great thing, it could be placed right on the shoe mount. It also comes with a 3.5mm dual mono output cable, which length is more than enough to connect to any camera on board. We also have the WS9 Deluxe windshield, or Dead Cat, which is great for outdoors and blocking wind, noise. And we have the most important thing, the microphone body. As you can tell, having the microphone suspended is going to help avoid noises that you get from moving the camera or the microphone. In the back, we have a 3.5mm microphone output socket where you're going to place one side of the cable and the other side to the camera. And if you're getting ready to go outside, you will have to do vile things to that dead cat. Now, let's go ahead and mount this bad boy on the camera. And what we're gonna do is loosen the tightening ring. So then we could place it on the camera's shoe mount. And the size for this one is 3/8. So that would basically fit most cameras. We find it a lot easier to mount the microphone to the shock mount before you place it on the camera. As you can tell, the great thing about this device is very compact and it takes up very little space, which makes it a lot easier to go ahead and blog, to have in your backpack, or just have it on the go. Now, let's go ahead and take a test, and hopefully we get an A, because anything under would just be a waste of money. But for the price, we could get a B. So in this test, we're gonna try 3 different systems. We're gonna try the Panasonic G7 onboard microphone, the Canon T5 onboard microphone, and then we're gonna try lastly the Panasonic G7 with the Video Micro. And we won't do the Canon T5 because it doesn't have microphone input. But at least this way, hear the sound of the Canon microphone, the Panasonic microphone, or the Rode microphone. And here we go. And all audio, it's gonna be unedited. This is a test of the Panasonic G7 onboard microphone, Peter Pan, barbecue sauce, the Dark Knight, the Joker. As you can see, this is the sound from the camera itself. And this is recording with the Canon T5 onboard microphone, Peter Pan, Batman, Joker, barbecue sauce. And this was the sound coming from the Canon T5. Now, this is a test using the Rode Micro microphone connected to the Panasonic G7, barbecue sauce, the Joker, Batman, Peter Pan. As you can see, this was a test using the Rode Micro microphone. As you can tell, both camera microphones pick up the surrounding, which means it's going to pick up a lot of noise. But the Rode microphone gets the sound from wherever it's pointed at. And you can also compare the audio on this video. It was done with the Blue Snowball Ice. Overall, this is a great device that doesn't need batteries. You get better audio than your camera, and most importantly, you can have it on the go. So let us know what you think, which sounded better. Don't forget, if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up, that really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.